Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I'll be sharing what's in my diaper bag using my new favorite diaper bag, the Ryla pack. So let's just get right to it. If my voice sounds a little bit funny, it's because I'm sick, so just wanted to say that before I start. This is the Ryla pack. It actually comes with a few little accessories. They include this little clear bag that is intended as a wet bag, and inside I actually have all of the little cards that they include in the bag as to what each pocket is intended for, which I think is a super adorable touch. Another accessory is this change pad. The color is very pretty. It's nice and cushiony. It has a closure. So this is a super cute, nice sized change pad. I also love this nice grab handle. It's super convenient to have. And now I'll just go through what I have inside each pocket. This outside pocket, I usually have my phone, and I have an iPhone 8 Plus with a pretty thick case and a little pop socket, and it fits in here just perfectly. And in the other pocket, I usually have my sunglasses. I'm home, so I don't have either of them in there, but that's what is usually inside of them. Attached to one of the zippers, I have a really cute little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. And then in this front pocket, I have my things. A small Coach wallet, 2 Burt's Bees lip shimmers, some Altoids, an EOS lip balm, a spring that I use to put my hair up in a bun, and a small flashlight. And that's everything in this front pocket. I also always throw in my keys in there. There is a back pocket that they call like a tech pocket. I have 2 little indestructible books and a play pack. Okay, so now for the inside, it has double zippers, and this is what it looks like inside. This is kind of falling out, but it won't really fall out because the bag is nice and structured and it doesn't lose its shape, which I adore. Right here on top, I have one of my kids' little sippy cup holders. Here I have another one. Right next to that, I have a petite pouch by Logan and Lenora. And in here, I have 2 applesauces, a jujube coin purse, and it has a bunch of Dum Dum lollipops, 3 of these fruit strips from Costco, and of course, little fruit gummies. In this pocket, which is intended for pacifiers, I don't have anything at the moment. I am supposed to get some wet ones, and that's what is usually in this pocket. In the other pocket next to it, Kleenex and 4 Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. The bag has 2 insulated pockets, and I have juice boxes in each of them. Standing up right here, I have a wipe pouch with some water wipes. I have 2 cute little cars, and these are mostly for my daughter. And then I have 3 size 6 little movers by Huggies and a change pad. And that's everything that is in this main part, back zippered pocket. This is actually my driver's license until it arrives in the mail. And a power of attorney paper, my earphones, a nail file, my Kate Spade phone charger, and some nail clippers. So all of that was inside of this bag, and I had a bunch of room. So I can honestly say that I love this diaper bag. I think it's the perfect size. It keeps me minimalist and with just the bare necessities, but also I have so much more room left over. The color is beautiful. The hardware is super nice. I don't think there is a flaw with this bag. It has all the extras. It's just amazing. If you are interested in purchasing a Ryla pack of your own, I have a coupon code right up here, and I will also add it in the description box. You will also find an affiliate link, which I really don't want to pressure you to use. It will just be super amazing if you do, but I completely understand if you just go through the website, it's fine. Just remember to use that code because it's 20% off of the bag, which is always nice. If you have a Ryla pack of your own, I would love to hear it in the comments below, or if there's anything you want to know about the bag, also let me know. I will be happy to answer. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you consider subscribing. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.